Hey guys, good evening. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type yes in the chat box so that we can get started with today's session. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So, what's the topic for today? As you already mentioned in the WhatsApp group of ours. Okay, here I already mentioned in the WhatsApp group that today we are going to have the session at the so and so time and all, right? At 6 p.m. And we are going to start the new batch, that is batch 6, and we are going to ideate the topics and creating a training plan by discussing with you all. Okay. So that's the plan, guys, for today. Okay. That's the plan for today. So, yeah, let's get started with the ideation process. I'll just select new. Okay. Here I'm going to create a plan just before you. Just give me a second.
Sorry, what did you click on?
Yeah, don't worry. This is just a tool. Okay. I'm using some Xmind tool where I generally create a plan. Okay. So you don't have to worry about these options. Okay. I just selected file new and I selected a template. Okay. That's nothing more than that. Okay. So here, what's the plan? Training plan I'm going to create. Okay, fine. So let's get started with this training plan. Training plan, the topic will be, what is our goal? We are going to learn software testing and tools. Tools can be anything. Okay. Software testing and tools is the thing. Okay. So this is the topic that training will be dependent on. And here in this training program, okay, this training program is nothing but training program. Training program is software testing and tools. Tools means automation, everything will be covered there, okay? Different types of testings, automation, and everything as a together thing. Next, okay, the batch number is batch 6, guys, okay? This is batch 6. Today is the day 1. Today is the day 1 where we are going to ideate the topics. Because if we plan well, then only we'll be able to, okay, if we plan well, then only we'll be able to uh, you know conduct the sessions in a proper way and all. So I'm just creating a plan. I would like to have a discussion with you all. I would like everyone to participate here, okay, and give your suggestions and all. Okay, we'll try to consider as many number of suggestions as possible. Okay, we'll try our level best. Okay, it's kind of forum is open for you all guys to respond here and okay, so comment during this plan creation and all. Okay, so the basics, I'm just going to write down start date. Start date is like we can consider that as today itself. Okay, though I'm not going to cover any topics today, but ultimately the planning part will be today itself. Okay, we are going to start the planning part today. Start date is today, and you already know that you have come here because you already have the contact details of Javed, right? Okay, because of Javed, like you have enrolled into this particular course with the help of Javed. Okay, so tomorrow, if you have anything related to anything, right, you just reach out to Javed, okay? For training doubts and all, you can come here and regarding the program, you have to check with Javed only, okay? Apart from the training, if you have any other doubts, you have to check with Javed. So since you already have the contacts of Javed, but I'll just try to put it there so that if you really want, you can cross check here. I'll share this training plan, don't worry. Okay. In the WhatsApp group, I'll share this training plan, and this is our group, guys. So everyone is part of this WhatsApp group. Everyone joined this training is parts of sorry, everyone joined this training is part of this Telegram group here. So if you have the if you are part of the Telegram group in this QFox thing, okay, Telegram group, you see we have the details of Javed here. Okay, these are the details of Javed. If any queries you have regarding the training program and all, you can reach out to. But if you have any doubts regarding the topics that I'm covering, you can reach out to me. Okay. But for now, I'm going to share the details of the Javed, guys. Okay, these details of the Javed. Javed. You can say course coordinator. I can, Javed is the course coordinator. Okay. So, and these are the details of the Javed. Okay. Telegram ID of the Javed and WhatsApp or call. Okay. For any doubts regarding this training program. You can reach our course coordinator, who is Javed. Okay, I am the only trainer. Okay, I'm just a trainer. Javed is a course coordinator. For him, you have to approach if you want to enroll, if you want to ask any doubts about the program and all. If you have any clarity you need, okay, Javed is the one you need to reach out to. Fine. And then next thing is topics. What I'm going to cover under this training program, okay? What are the different things I'm going to cover under this training program is something I'm going to list down here. So, you see, till now, let me show you what exactly we completed so far, guys. We completed 5 batches so far, okay? So far, we completed 5 batches. So, let me show you where exactly our batches are, okay? So on the Google Drive, okay, so these are the 5 batches we have completed. Batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, batch 5, and whatever the outside files are there will belong to the batch 1, okay. So since you guys are joining this batch 6, right, okay, if you want to refer to the previous batch related content, you can choose any of these folders, but I personally recommend batch 5, okay. I personally recommend batch 5, okay? Because, the more the number of batches I take, the more better the content will become, right? So the latest batch will have the latest content, okay? And if you just go to the previous and all, right, the level of content, will become older. If you want to get the latest content, go and watch the recordings that are there in the batch 5, okay? Before you started with the batch itself, I am giving you the recordings, guys, okay? I don't think no other training program will give you this kind of stuff, right? So after the training classes are completed, they will give you the recordings. But here, what we are doing as a different thing, okay? If you are already enrolled, okay, whether you are a previous student or current student, whatever it is, you will get the recordings of the previous batch in the first day itself. Okay? On the first day itself, we are going to get the recordings of the previous batch. Okay? So you don't have to wait for me to complete everything. If you are in a hurry, you can go through the recordings. They will be kind of easy only. And on top of that, you attend my live sessions, live classes together. Okay. So, and sometimes you guys can watch these recordings and attend my classes way before, to understand the concepts in a better way. Okay. A lot of advantages are there by sharing the recordings with you before even I start any training. Okay. But the thing that happened till batch 5 is like, batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, batch 5 is that, I only covered Selenium Java. Okay, these recordings belong to Selenium Java. Okay. What about manual testing? Did I cover so far for any of these batches? No, I didn't cover. But that's the reason, guys. In this batch 6, the first topic is going to be manual testing only. Okay. So, what is the first training thing that I'm going to cover as part of the batch 6? Manual testing first. Okay. So, if you are in a hurry of Selenium Java, I recommend you to go for the batch 5 folder. Okay. And, you know, you can access from here. Okay. So, what you have to do here is, if you already got added to my group, right? This particular group. Okay, let's say this is a group. Okay, sorry, not this is a group. Where is that group, guys? Okay, this is a group. Okay, if you are already part of this group, there are around 393 members so far. Our students are this count so far who has enrolled in our program for previous batches and all those stuff. You can ask your questions here. A lot of students are ready to clear your doubts and all those stuff. Okay. Yeah, the Google Drive link will be here in the. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Click on this group, okay, and here if you say show more, right, you will get this Google Drive link. Okay, you'll get this Google Drive link, guys. Okay, Google Drive link or content. Okay, this link you have to click. Once you click on this link, right, it will open up, and in that you have to choose batch 5 folder, which has the latest content and all the complete details of Selenium Java are there. If you're in a hurry of learning Selenium Java, okay, while I'm covering manual testing and all, if you want to go through the Selenium Java, you can go through these recordings from the session 1 onwards to the total. How many are there? 43 are there, which will cover everything for you. Okay, fine. That's the plan. So you have the access to the recording, and how to access the recordings also I told you just now. Okay. So till now I didn't cover manual testing for any of my batches, that is previous batches. If anyone, from my previous batches or new members who have joined this batch 6, okay, are not aware of manual testing, you can attend my sessions. Okay, manual testing sessions. So what is the thing that you really like to be covered after manual testing? So I would like to plan for API testing, guys. I just want to know whether you guys are okay with it. After manual testing, I want to cover API testing. Is that fine? Interested?
Yes, Arun. I think
Yeah.
even most of our students are asking for API testing in our group as well.
Yes, yes, that's the thing. Okay, so that's the reason I'm planning to start API testing next. Okay, after manual
Um,
testing, I would like to cover API testing.
yeah, thank you so much. I think so the API testing will be for the manual aspect. I mean, using Postman, right?
Yeah, it can be anything. Okay.
Yeah,
Postman will be
because
is going to be the manual testing wise, it's going to be Postman. Automation wise, we have to do rest assured. But
rest assured, yeah.
first we'll cover manual only. Okay. We'll not
All
directly go
right,
with
thank you.
automation as part because I would like to cover the important things. These days, industry requires testers to have the compulsory knowledge on. Okay. Every tester should have the knowledge on API testing, right? So
Yeah,
that's the
yeah.
reason I'll try to cover the manual part for web application testing first. Okay. Web application testing is going to the major thing here. After that, API testing, manual testing only. Under API testing, I'm going to cover mostly. There are different tools actually, but the major tool is going to be the Postman tool in case of manual. Okay, fine, fine. Then I'll be covering. I have two topics in my mind. Do you want Selenium Java or do you want mobile testing? Okay, just want to see your response here. Like based on that, I would like to cover. Okay. After web application manual testing, API testing, and then followed by mobile or Selenium Java. Which one do you feel? Selenium Java, I'm getting a lot of votes for Selenium Java. Okay. So as per the priorities, manual testing, web application, API testing, and then followed by the mobile also I'm getting something, but most of the votes, based on the votes only, I'll confirm that. Okay. Don't take it me wrong because I would like to see like how many people are in Selenium Java interested and mobile interested. Looks like
Please
most
can
of
I
the
ask a
people are.
question?
Yes.
The reason I chose a mobile testing, right? The reason being that in batch five, I can see you have a lot of Selenium Java videos
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So I was thinking,
Yes,
since
but
you are
mobile testing, yeah, yeah, that's okay. I and can understand your point because you already have attended the sessions and also you can see the recordings of the previous batch. You may feel mobile testing, but we have to go with the people. Okay, so okay, what the people actually wants because a lot of people have joined this batch six with some expectations, right? So I have to be balanced state. Okay, I have to be in balanced state to choose the topic, the next topic. It can be either mobile or Selenium Java, purely based on what's I'll take. Okay. I I consider your suggestion, but still, let me take a decision on this. Okay.
thank
Yes.
you.
So a lot of people are saying Selenium Java. Okay, because a lot of people cannot wait for Selenium Java for a long period of time. Okay. I'll go with Selenium Java and then followed by mobile testing is something. And also, guys, recently what happened is I had to take a corporate training where I have to teach them Selenium Python. Okay. I have taught them Selenium Python. Okay. But I don't know whether I can fit it anywhere here. But maybe after mobile testing, I may consider. Okay. So that doesn't, if I talk about Selenium Python, I'm not going to cover that in very depth. But just in a week or 1 or 2 weeks of time, you have to migrate from Selenium Java to Selenium Python. Okay. Migration training I can give you. Migration from Selenium. It's not compulsory. If you know Selenium Java, that's fine. Okay. Migration from Selenium Java to Selenium Python. I don't want to comment on C Sharp because, the problem with C Sharp is that I also have to revise it once because it's been a long time I covered C Sharp. But even I'm interested in C Sharp also, but I cannot comment it on that. But maybe in the upcoming batches or something, we'll try to include that also. Okay. For now, in the basics, we'll go with Selenium Java to Selenium Python thing. CI/CD integration is already part of the Selenium Java program only, right? It's already there. Okay. In Selenium Java only, we covered CI/CD kind of thing. GitHub Jenkins is part of that. Okay. Again, we don't have to take it separately. But yeah, we'll see what exactly we can do. I'm trying to take this plan to the next level this time. Okay. I want to do kind of different this particular batch to be different from the previous batches and where the people from the previous batch also should get benefited at same time the new people should not be disappointed. I'm trying to maintain a balance. I don't want to hurt anyone. Okay, so whatever comes onto the plate we have to accept at a point of time, right? So just okay, so that's a thing that you have to have here. Okay, so I will take the decision. You try to suggest me, but don't feel bad if I'm taking a different decision altogether. Okay. ETL testing I'm not good at, okay, but I cannot comment on ETL testing. Maybe in the future batches I'll try to see. Okay, if I yeah, API automation, correct. So the priority wise, what I feel here is after web application testing, API testing, Selenium, Java, mobile testing, I would like to take up API test automation. Okay. I think this should come as the next priority. Okay. After mobile testing, I would like to go with the API test automation. This should be the next priority, I feel. Then this is like miscellaneous, whether we do it or not, we can put into the later stages, can keep dragging it to the later stages, like migration from Selenium Java to Selenium Python, migration from Selenium Java to Selenium C Sharp, we can see. Okay. So far, very good, right? So far, very good. Whatever the things that you need in general days, okay, are there here, okay? But definitely, I'll like also, I'm just thinking like we as software testers, we should not stick only to the, we as software testers should not only stick to the testing plans. We should also be good at technologies, right? Like it may be as simple as HTML, it should be as simple as CSS, JavaScript, okay? A lot of other stuff, okay? So because these days, as a trainer, I'm getting different opportunities, okay? From the big companies and all. Okay. So database testing, I'll not be taking up it in depth. Okay. Maybe in using Selenium Java, how to perform database testing will be covered. But to whatever the extent we need to perform database testing using automation, I'll cover. But I cannot take a detailed course on that because I'm not expert in that. One more thing I would like to recommend here is after API testing, I'm good at security testing. I would like to put this as part of this. Okay. Security testing, I'll definitely. Okay. Security testing is something that I can cover here. Is that fine? SQL, SQL, right? Yes. The problem here with the SQL is, okay, maybe I cannot cover it in the beginning. Maybe I'll not cover the SQL in the beginning. But I'll create a plan for that also. Like, not at a high level, but at least at a high level, we can cover SQL or something. Okay. Maybe as of web application testing and, some skill set required. But I'm just thinking about priorities. Okay. I'm just thinking about priorities, how to go it and all. Miscellaneous things. I'll just move this also into the miscellaneous. And other things will be HTML in depth, CSS in depth, SQL in depth, JavaScript also. JavaScript and for now, these are the things I have. Okay. And XML, then JSON. Okay. These are few things I feel everyone should know. Okay. Technology wise. Okay. But these are in miscellaneous stages. As part of the priorities, we'll go one by one. Okay. Web application testing, API testing, Selenium Java, mobile testing, API test automation, security testing. These are the major items for me, guys. Okay, the remaining all are miscellaneous based on our time and all. I'll decide. Performance, I'm not good at, but we'll try to see because the problem with performance is that you have to be a real time, the kind of person who is working in real time on performance testing activity. Otherwise, only people, trainers can only explain about theory, but they cannot give you the experience. Okay, that's the problem with the performance. Yeah. Yeah, nowadays DevOps thing is also there. DevOps also I'm just trying to, okay. I'll try to cover DevOps and other technologies, that's okay. So under that, Azure and everything will come into picture, that's okay. Cloud things and all those things will come into picture. So as these are the main areas, guys. So these are the main areas I would like to cover. So I should not say manual testing here, rather I should say topics directly. Okay, so here manual testing. Manual testing, sorry, again it went there. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, web application testing, API testing, manual. Then Selenium Java and mobile testing also manual, but priority wise Selenium Java. And yeah, one more thing is there, guys. Okay, here I'll cover mobile testing, but that is manual. But after security testing, what I feel as a priority is maybe before or after security testing. We'll see that. Okay. We'll see the priorities. So mobile test automation. Mobile test automation is something I would like to see. Okay. These are the general stuff. I'm just, you see, there are a lot of things to learn and all, but it's practically impossible to take the training program to very, lengthy kind of stuff. Yes, APM. Using mobile test automation using APM only. Okay. I'm not mentioning the tools, but it's going to be APM only. Okay. Here I'll say APM. Okay. And other thing that I feel here is that everyone has to learn these days is other test automation tools. So once you are good with Selenium, Java, and once you are good with API testing, mobile testing, or by that time, it's kind of very easy for everyone to explore the tools. Okay, other test automation tools. Okay, the other test automation tools are going to be Cypress. Okay, Tosca, and then what is that, guys? Uh, Microsoft. Microsoft Playwright. These are the famous tool I see in the market. Okay. These are the famous tools I see in the market. This we can have. Okay. Yes, Playwright, correct. Cypress, Tosca, and Playwright. Okay. These are the major tools I would like to focus. Apart from that, okay. So I would like to make the training programs a bit different, okay, this time because it's batch 6 and it should be good, different for my previous batch members and also the new batch members. They should learn more, okay, this time. That's the plan. Yeah, we'll learn whatever that is required for Playwright. We are going to learn it. Don't worry about that. Okay. Any automation tool, whatever it is required, that language we are going to learn. Don't worry. Okay. At proper point of time. So, guys, I would like to not comment more about other things, but I'm just trying to think what are the important things. Okay. You see, as a software tester, if you want to get started, right, what are the things that will make you great and get selected in the market? Duration, don't ask me. Okay. Duration, don't ask me about the entire duration. The first duration is our ongoing batches, right? You see, manual testing will try to get it done. Selenium Java. Okay. Okay. Manual testing, web application testing, API testing will definitely take, one or 1.5 month of time already. And we don't know. Okay. But I would like not to comment here. I'll try my level best. Selenium Java will definitely take time. Okay. It's going to be 1.5 month for sure. Then mobile testing again, 2 weeks or something. Then API testing, automation, it will take time again. Okay. So they're going to take time, but this program is going to be big and the people are going to join in between at different parts of the course. Okay. They can join in between also because some people don't need manual testing. They'll not join here. When Selenium Java starts freshly, they can join. That's okay. So I don't want to comment on the training duration. Okay. I cannot comment because I don't, if I comment some timeline, right, what happens is I have to compromise the content. If you really want me to compromise the content, I'll definitely give you a duration point. What do you say? Do you want the duration or the quality of the program? You have to
No,
tell
I
me.
don't think we want duration because the more topics we cover, the
Yes,
better.
more
So,
topics are there. If you have to rush up, right, you'll not understand anything, right?
yeah.
So quality is important. So I don't want to comment on the duration because you see, every time I take a batch, right, I'll try to experiment something new. It's not like the static program. I can give it rough timelines, but whether we meet the timelines or not, we don't know. Okay. So this will definitely take 1 month. This will take 2 months. Total 3 months here itself. Manual testing with the web application and API testing 1 month and Selenium Java again 2 months. Okay. If you have to cover it in a well format. Okay. Maybe before or after it may happen. Mobile testing again, 2 weeks to 3 weeks. API test automation again 1 month. Security testing again 1 month. Mobile test automation 1 month. Let's say. Okay. So you can see it will increase the duration. Okay. But plan is good. Okay. I feel that plan is good. Okay, the plan is good, but but I don't want to miss the quality at the same time because I'm just putting a lot of topics here. Doesn't mean that I need to rush up and explain everything in 1 week. It won't be good, right? So we'll go with the plan. Okay, I'll try to give proper way. Okay, the plan looks good for me. Something it came out. Okay, so any modifications anyone want here in this training program plan?
Arun, so Selenium Java will cover Java basics and framework
Yes,
designing
yes, Java
also.
will be there. Java will be included. Core Java will be included. Okay, core Java is included. You don't have to have any knowledge of programming, guys. Everything I'm going to, even core Java. That's the reason I mentioned it as 2 months. Okay, 2 months. Okay. Uh, what do you mean by, yeah? Oshin is saying, is it just weekend training? Yes, it's weekend training only, not on weekdays. It's only on weekends. 3 hours on Saturday and 3 hours on Sunday from 6 to 9, 6 to 9, like that. It is going to be okay. Okay, 3 hours on Saturday, 3 hours on Sunday because people cannot join before 6. So I thought of starting at 5 and want to kind of make it, but some people were asking me it's not possible for them at 5 o'clock. So I moved it to 6 p.m. IST. It's just weekend training, but it's going to be 3 hours. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of questions I'm getting. Just let me address those questions, guys. Okay. Cucumber BDD. Yeah. Cucumber BDD will be part of Selenium Java only. Okay. Fine. Don't worry about that. Yes. Actual project testing. Okay. What do you mean by actual project testing means live automation? For that, we have another batch. Okay. This is only training program. To some extent, some pilot actual testing will be there, but not entire project can be covered that no trainer can cover, right? You will get a feel, but not complete feel. So after this training, along with this training, if you also want to join our live automation, okay, we have another group here. Okay, this is another training program actually. This is another training program where we have the live automation training. Okay, this is another live automation training, guys. Okay. So where you can join, okay, that you have to enroll again separately, okay, where live automation will be there, okay, that live automation will be there. We are going very slow in that, okay. So some new challenges during automation we are facing and we are solving them every week. Okay, so you have to enroll it, Alex. If you want to be part of live automation, you have to enroll there, okay. For that, you have to reach out to Javed. You will be part of the group only after enrolling, okay? It's not, direct entry. This is a training program, lifetime access training program. Other one is a live automation, okay? So other training is going on, okay? So where you can, if you are interested, you just go with Javed, guys, okay? These are the contact details of Javed, okay? These are the contact details of Javed. You just reach out to Javed via these details and you can enroll yourself in that live automation training program, okay? That is an ongoing one. We have decided to automate 500 test cases, okay, as part of the program. If you guys are in that, let's say you have not worked on any automation project so far, but suddenly you may enter into the company, right? Okay, suddenly you have to enter into a company and you may not feel confident, right? For such kind of people who are aware of Selenium, Java, and at least some basics or something, okay, they're aware of that, and at the same time they want to, get some confidence on how to automate that, okay. Same money, same amount. Okay, whatever the amount you paid for this training plan, this training program, same thing you have to pay for the live automation also. Okay, that is for the serious people who want to explore the live automation in depth. Okay, of a live project in depth, where we are going to take a live project and live projects, basically not live project. Multiple projects will be there in that. We started with only one application. So once that is completed, automating so many test cases of that particular applications are done, we will move to the other test cases. Okay.
Please, do you advise someone who doesn't have any experience to finish this training before joining the live, or we can join the live at the same time with it?
For live, you should have at least some basic knowledge of Java and Selenium. Otherwise, you'll be confused. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So it's better you complete this Selenium Java and then join. Okay. That's a good choice. Okay. Basically,
All right, thank you.
you can manage still, but ultimately you may not understand few things. Okay. Because I'll not be giving any training there, right? If you miss some concepts, right, you'll not understand what I am doing while teaching. Okay. You may get confused. Okay. So other than that, if you want to give a try, you can give also. Okay. It's up to you. There are different type of personalities, right? Some people are adapting to that kind of thing also. Okay. They want to do both the things together. Okay. While this is going on, they don't want to waste the time and they want to do that also. But the timing of that particular live automation is, 11 a.m. IST on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Yeah. And also we have to start talk about the time when the time comes. Okay. It's going to be on weekends only. Weekends time. And weekends time will be, 3 hours on Saturday, 3 hours on Sunday max. Okay. It's max. So starting time will be 6 p.m. IST onwards. Okay. 6 p.m. IST onwards. Here also 6 p.m. IST onwards. Okay. And recordings, I already told you, right? Recordings are there not only for the current batch recordings I'll share you, but also the previous and future batch recordings also you'll get. Okay, it's a lifetime access. I got one other question. Yeah, Satish, it's up to you whether you want to join, but you may miss some basics, but still not a problem. Because if you don't want to, joining at any point of time is same, right? If you want to join right away, Okay, you will also get the recordings, and at same time you can go through the training. Is up to you. But if you feel that okay, after training only I want to join, that's also up to you. You can take a call. I don't want to recommend before and after. Okay, it's up to you. At any point of time, you can attend the sessions. So there's no problem in that. It's an ongoing thing. So there's nothing you are going to lose. Whether you want to join before or after doesn't matter. Okay. So at least you'll get the recordings if you join earlier. If you just wait until the training is completed, you will get the recording access later point of time. That's the only difference I see. But ultimately, there's nothing that you are going to lose in that program. Okay, fine. At least you'll get a vision. Some people will get a vision, even though they don't understand anything. Why exactly we are learning all this stuff, you will get a vision in that live automation. That is another thing where if even though you don't have the technicals, you can join all that also. Okay, that's another point to be discussed. Okay, so end of the training, do we get SBP to create a test plan, test design? Yes, you will get it. Okay, what is the full form of SBP? Saubhagya, you are asking me about SGB, right? Like I'm not good with the short forms. So you mean to get clarity of or confidence or what you are asking that? Is that the same word that replicates or solution blueprint? Yes, you will get it. I'll give you all the things. I'll give you all the real documents, complete documents. You'll get shocked, okay? With the documents and all, you'll get shocked, okay? So no training, no trainer will give you such kind of documents I am going to give you, okay? I'll make you feel that you are working on a project, okay? As part of manual testing, I'll make sure that you are working on a project. But for Selenium Java, for live project, you have to join another training program of mine, okay? I told you, right, just now. That's the thing, okay? Fine. Yeah, any other questions or doubts, guys, about this training program? Hope you like the training content, right? Okay, so this should be a very good batch. I'm just guessing because till batch 5, it's one thing for me, but from batch 6, I want to take the things even more serious. This time, I want to commit to my words and I want to deliver everything this time. Okay, whatever I say in this plan, I want to deliver this time seriously. Okay, AI tools will try to use. Okay, AI tools will make a note, but I cannot promise here, but AI tools will definitely use at least for automation tools or something. I'll show you few tools. Okay. There are some AI tools that I'll try to show you. Okay, don't worry about that. You see, AI is a technology, but the main AI tool that every software tester uses is ChatGPT only. Okay, to be frank, ChatGPT is the tool that we use. Okay, not more than that. Other thing is like AI tools means artificial intelligence, right? Okay, I'll show you some tools of defect tracking tools, which where you just write the title and it will fill you the descriptions and all. Okay, Copilot we can include. Yes, Copilot also. Yes, Copilot or Chat GPT. Okay, a lot of things are there. Yeah, we can include that. Not a problem as a training program. Continues, we'll do that. Okay. Yeah, notes also I'll give you. Okay, if I am using any particular notes, generally what I will do here is during the sessions, for example, I'll give you some sample note here. Okay, I'll just share you some sample notes here. Okay, you'll understand that. Just give me a second. Let me open the notepad here. I'll show you some notes. These are the contents of Selenium Python. I was currently teaching my just corporate training batch actually. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I'll share you the notes actually. I'll show you one sample of the notes. Okay, how does they look like and all. I don't know where exactly I kept. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll just a lot of files. It has become. Yeah. For example, here this is a note. Okay. What is software testing? I'll copy this link. This kind of notes I'm going to share you. Don't worry. Okay. I'll just open. The notes are getting opened. The notes are getting opened. We'll try to use these notes. Okay. What is software testing? Like this kind of notes. Okay. Whatever I use for training, I'm going to share with you. Okay. Is that fine? Are the notes fine for you? JIRA will be covering JIRA test management, JIRA agile based test management tool. I'm going to cover. Don't worry. Okay. JIRA will be covered as part of manual testing only. It's very important one. Yes, correct. Accessibility testing, I'm not going to cover in depth because the subject is very depth, Mrudula. Accessibility testing, the people who are really into accessibility testing only can teach. Otherwise, you can refer to the resources online. Okay, that's the only thing that everyone can get it. Okay, but I'll share you some insights, like, from where you can learn accessibility testing and all. I'll guide you, but okay, I'll guide you how to learn accessibility testing and all, how to go to the next level in accessibility testing. But I am not going to teach you because I'm not that expert in accessibility testing. I'm not a specialist in that accessibility testing. Yeah, sure. We'll figure out a way. Okay, how to get this done? We'll figure out a way. But I cannot promise at this point of time. Okay, maybe ongoing we'll decide. Okay, maybe ongoing we'll decide. Accessibility testing has a very good demand. I know. Okay, but we'll see. And also I'll try to cover some domain knowledge, guys. Okay, so capital market domain, like that. Many domains I'm going to give you. Okay, during the manual testing training, I'll also train you on domains. I want to make the training content to be high quality this time. From basics onwards, it's going to be high quality, guys. It's not going to be as whatever you see on the YouTube channel of mine. Okay. I'm not going to share the same content that is there on the YouTube channel. I want to give a good value for you all. Okay. I'm planning to give some kind of realistic knowledge. Okay. That is not being shared on my YouTube channel. Okay. So want to make the training program to be kind of different from whatever the free resources you get online. Okay, so that's what is a thing. But we'll definitely try to make this basics a very good hit this time. Okay, yeah. Telecom domain I'm not good with. Whatever the domains I'm good with, I'll teach you. Okay, to whatever the extent. Telecom domain I'm not good with, so I'll not take up the telecom domain. I will definitely take up e-commerce. Other one is like this capital market I'm good with. Okay, we'll try to explore few other. I'll not comment that I'm very good with the banking or insurance, but I'll show you the way how to explore that also. Okay, yeah, banking and insurance are also there, but we'll try to cover to some extent banking and insurance, but not to that level that you're expecting though. Okay, but I'll try to make get you guys to good level in that. Okay, but not completely. To some extent, I'll help you out. Okay, in banking and insurance. Yeah. Any other thing? Anyone have any other doubt? Anyone have any other doubts here regarding our training programs here? Yeah, I can put good amount of experience this time because you see, if you ask me only one topic means for manual testing, you can put up to 6 months to 9 months. Okay, for web and API, you can put 6 months here, 3 months here. You can put it. If you include Selenium Java, you can put one year more. That is 1 year 9 months still here. 1 year 9 months you can put. If you include mobile testing, another 3 months you can add till here. You'll get 2 years. If you also put API test automation, you can include uh, like 3 months here. Okay, 3 months, 2 years, 3 months. Security testing, 6 months you can add, 2 years, 9 months it will become. Mobile test automation, 3 more months, 3 years it will become. Okay, so till 3 years I'm promising, but for now depending on the major topics, you can put up to 3 years of experience. Okay. Yeah, the experience is flexible. I'm talking about topics and experience. Okay. Topic wise experience I'm giving you. Minimum how much you can put for every topic I'm telling you. But a person can be there who will be working in manual testing for the last 5 years. Okay. You can, based on your field, right? Based of whatever the confidence levels you got in manual testing, you can make that 6 months to 9 months or something. Okay. In automation, you can put it for 1 year, not a problem. Okay. 1 year of experience is good. And you can increase it more if based on your confidence. Minimum 1 year you can put, and based on your confidence, you can increase to 1 year, 3 months, 6 months, like that. Okay. In automation, you can put 1 year. Okay. Yeah, generally you should not talk about
ఏం
experience here, but
కుట్టిందా
since you asked me, I'm providing that details. Okay. The minimum how
ఏం
much you can provide,
కుట్టిందా
I'm providing it here. Okay. Yes, Joe. You have any question? Yeah.
no sorry I was unmute by mistake.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Fine. Any other questions, guys? Anyone have any other questions? Resume building, this time I'm going to help you guys. As part of manual testing, resume building is going to be there for sure. We are going to discuss on different tactics, but you just remind me once, okay? As part of web application testing, interview questions, support I cannot give you, but guidance I'll give you. Okay, I cannot say support. Support means I should be there. I'll not be there. But how to learn, how to go through the interview questions, I can help you out. I can give you the guidance. Okay. First session, I cannot comment on first session now. Maybe first session will start from next weekend, I'm thinking. Okay. The people are few people are still joining. Okay, latecomers are there still. Okay. So who has joined today, you can skip tomorrow's session if you want. Okay. Tomorrow also maybe this kind of introduction session may be there. Okay, where ideation of the topics and the same plan I will try to present them, and if any small changes are there, I'll try to. But it may happen, it may not happen also, depending on the people who are joining, right? I may take the same session tomorrow also. But if you want to be part of the tomorrow session, you can join. If it is there, I'll announce in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Mock interview, if you're really interested, you just have to reach out to Javed. Okay. If any one of you are interested in mock interview, the process is there. You have to reach out to Javed. Schedule a meeting with me where I'm going to take a mock interview for you. Okay. Yes, Java notes I am going to provide. Don't worry. I have all the Java notes I'll provide with you. Okay. This time I'm planning a different thing, but I don't know whether I can deliver that or not. I'll try to provide some mind map notes. Okay, but I am not sure. Don't worry about that. Okay. Along with the Java notes, I'll try to provide Evernote notes, right? Mind map related stuff also. I'll try to provide this time. Let's see. Yeah. Next, any other questions? Mock interview, I told you the process, right? You have to, once you're good with some knowledge, you have that, and you are ready for mock interview, then reach out to Javed, schedule a call with me. If you have good knowledge on something, then if you're confident and ready to take an interview, then let Javed know. I'm also very interested in taking mock interviews, but it should go with via Javed only. It should go. Okay, via Javed only. It should go. Yeah. Next, any other questions? Anyone? First session may not start from tomorrow. Okay, the real actual first session is not going to start from tomorrow. Next weekend only we are going to start full-fledgedly. This weekend we are going to plan a lot. Okay, what to be covered, any other changes in the plan. Okay, more ideation on the topics. Planning part is this week. This week is only planning, guys. Okay, this is not real starting of the batch actually. This is just we are just creating a plan for batch to start, which is officially going to start next week only, next weekend only. Okay. And this time I'm going to give assignments, guys. Okay. This time, because I am going to take the training sessions on weekends. So entire weekday you are going to be free, right? This time I'm not going to make you guys be free. Rather, whatever the topics I covered on the weekdays, I'll ask you all to do some assignments on the weekdays. On weekends, I'll cover the training. On weekdays, you have to do the assignments. Okay. It's not compulsory. I'm not going to force you that you have to do the assignments. If you do, it's good for you. It's up to you. Okay. If it is good, okay, I'll try to give the assignments. Okay. And if you do it, it's not compulsory. It's optional for you to do the assignments. But if you can do it, then it's good for you. Okay. I'll plan the assignment this time. Okay. Fine. I was missing the assignments in the last batches and all. Selenium Java is best. Shailaja, Selenium Java is best. That doesn't mean that you should not learn Selenium Python. Both are important. But for the person who is just getting started learning Selenium Java, right, Selenium, I recommend Selenium Java to get started with, not Selenium Python, because you'll get a lot of problems in Selenium Python and you'll break your head. Okay. You see, it's not about easiness of the Python language, but the kind of help you get from the internet is very less, and everyone will face a different problem, and you'll not get the confidence in Selenium automation if you start with Selenium Python. But if you want to get some good confidence in Selenium, you have to start with Selenium and with Java. Once you get the confidence, you migrate to any tool, doesn't matter. Okay, you will have the confidence to rectify the problems at that point of time, by that point of time. That's the reason I recommend everyone to go with Selenium Java first, then go with the Selenium Python. Got it right? So from my experience, I'm saying this. Okay. I also have worked on, I've delivered the batches on Selenium Java, Selenium Python, Selenium C Sharp. The problem with Selenium Python and C Sharp is that the kind of solutions we have on the internet are very less, and you'll not be able to get the solutions. Okay. So easily, and you'll stuck there for 1 week, 2 week like that. Okay. And I, as a trainer, also cannot guide you on what is the problem. I cannot rectify your problems. That kind of support I cannot give you, right? So you'll be stuck. So I better Selenium Java is the best thing. The frameworks, the major two frameworks we have in the market are hybrid TestNG, hybrid TestNG hybrid page object model, page factory design pattern framework. Other framework is Cucumber BDD. Both the frameworks which are popular in the market are going to be covered for you. Okay, the two important frameworks that we have in the market will be covered. Clear, Govardhan? What are the frameworks that will be covered here? You see, I'm teaching from very long period of times, guys. Okay, so my training is going to be very optimized and to the point, whatever the you guys need in the market. Okay, so that's what I can promise at this point of time. But I'll try to cover good amount of things for you. Okay, which are needed in for you, and also I'll give you the guidance how to take it to the next level. Also, that doesn't mean that I'm going to skip some topics here. You see, important topics I'm never going to skip. Okay, whatever that are really required for a lot of people, right? I'm going to cover here. Some additional topics that you have to learn by yourself that I'll guide you. Okay, in form of assignments or something, I'll give you this time. Okay, so everything I cannot teach you. Okay, everything in the possible time I cannot teach you, but I'll make sure that important and must topics will be covered here. And on the top of that, to get your confidence levels to the next level, I'm going to give you some guidance where you have to follow and do that assignments, optional assignments. By doing that, you'll be good in the market. Yeah, that will take some time, Neeraj. Should not be false. Showing 4 years of experience means, it is going to be tough, a bit tough. So you already have 10 years experience in manual, but you want to show that 4 years of experience in automation. Maybe you can show up to 2 years for now, Neeraj. But once you get the confidence and once I'll give you some guidance at some point of time after Selenium Java automation, where, you have to work on frameworks and all. Okay, once you get into that, right, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, you can increase that by 6 months. Okay, based on the confidence, you can increase that by 6 months onwards. Okay, like after 2 years, like 2 years, 6 months, 3 years, then 3 years, 6 months, 4 years, like that, you can slowly increase your experience in automation. Okay, based on the confidence you get by working on automation thing. But it's okay. It's okay to drag the experience. Is up to you. You can still do it. Okay, okay, but do it slowly. That's what I'm saying. Yes, non-IT backgrounds can easily learn Core Java from my sessions because I'm going to teach from ABCDs, guys. From ABCDs, I'm going to teach you the stuff. Okay. Even though you don't have any basic knowledge of Core Java, completely new to Core Java, okay, you will feel the difference, guys. The kind of level I'm going to teach you, the Java, you will not get it from anywhere. No trainer can explain you with so ease. You will feel that Java is so easy. Okay. So that kind of level I'm going to teach you. Fine. Non-IT backgrounds can easily understand core Java that I am teaching, so don't worry about that. Next, any other questions, guys? Yeah, assignments will help. That's correct. Any other things you want to ask me today regarding this training program? A new batch, that is batch 6, okay, where our Javed is our course coordinator. If you have any other questions regarding the program, okay, you can go and check with Javed, okay, and Javed is going to help you out. Enrolling is also being done by Javed, and Javed clear your robot from framework we can cover as part of Selenium Python. When we are migrate from Selenium Java to Selenium Python, right? We can look into robot framework, okay? We can look into robot framework, okay? A bit. Okay, great. Yes, batch 6 folder. I'm going to create batch 6 folder. Okay. Today's session also will be there in batch 6 folder. Today itself, I'll just before you only I'll try to create, okay? Since we are anyhow starting, right? So the induction session has been done. So batch 6 create. So our training programs are completely different. Our previous students also can continue here because we are going to make the training programs kind of engaging going ahead. You see, because at what point of time, which technology we are teaching, the previous students may not have learned, so they will learn something new in the basics also, and they don't have to enroll again. That's the beauty of our program. So it's a lifelong learning or training plan we are going to give here in our programs. It's like a university where we are going to teach a lot for just a small amount. We need the serious people and we are focusing on serious content. Okay. Yes, 11 a.m. for live automation, Alex. Correct. 11 a.m. for live automation. This recording of the current session will be uploaded here in the basics after this session. Okay. After this session, once the recording gets saved in my machine, I'm going to upload it here in the basics folder. Okay. Great. I think I forgot to upload some live automation thing also. Live automation till 39 it is there. I think Morning I have taken one session, but I didn't upload the recording of that. I forgot to upload the recording. I'll try to upload it. 40. I think 39 is there now. 40th recording is coming here. Okay. This is live automation. This is another batch I told you, right? Live implementation where we are automating test cases, 500 plus test cases. Okay. So these are the test cases we are automating at this moment, guys. Okay. We are in the search functionality now. We started from register account, went to login, logout, and currently we are in the search functionality, and we have a hell lot of functionalities still need to be automated. Okay. That's the thing. Yeah, I'll give the access. Don't worry. I got some. Javed has already, we have a separate group. Javed generally shares, email address to which I need to give the access. Okay. Okay. So I'll give the access. Okay. I'll give the access. I'm pending. That is pending, but I'll do it now. After this session is done, I'm going to give the access for all the people who enrolled in this course or basics. Okay. Don't worry about that. You can do both parallelly. You can attend my sessions, and from session one you can go to the recordings also at the same time. Okay, it's better to you start from class one, but you can join in between also. So both the plans I recommend you. Okay, so recordings will be there. If you want to start from class one, recordings will be already there, because I cannot again restart them, right? It's a very big initiative, so we cannot break in between, and there is no other entry time for you to come in also. So what you have to do as part of live automation here is that you have to join right away and follow my sessions, and at the same time you can have the recordings where you can cover up the previous sessions, okay, by yourself for now, until the new project starts. We are going to automate good number of projects, so it's a lifelong live automation thing that keeps going on. Okay, it's not going to stop. So you just want to, you see there is a river flowing, right? You can join any part of the river, right? That's kind of for boating or something. You can join. You just join the stream of the river, okay, and then float some kind of stuff, okay. But I cannot give you the entry point. For now, only one project we are doing. Once the one project is complete, another project will start. Okay. This single project is going to be very good project, very big project, and we are learning a lot. Every session we are learning a lot. Okay, people are learning a lot here in this live automation. Okay, what are the real challenges you generally face doing live automation? You will get there. Okay, that's the thing. But you can join at any point of time, because there is no entry point for that. Okay, there's no entry point or exit point in that. You just have to join the stream. Okay, live automation batch stream. You have to join somewhere in between, like joining for voting purpose or something like in real world. Okay. So there is no entry point or starting point or ending point for that. Okay. So, but you'll get the recordings. You can watch in your free time, and also you can parallelly watch if you get any doubts. You can join the training, live automation sessions, live trainings, and ask the doubts and get them cleared. That's the only way. Multiple projects. Okay. Your answer, Surya. Your the answer is multiple projects. Okay. The classes will be on multiple projects, not single project. One by one though. After one is completed, we'll go to the next one. Yeah, next. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Anyone have? Oh, these are the details of Javed. If you guys are interested to join the live automation, okay, live automation training also, then reach out to Javed here. You already have the details of Javed, right? Reach out to Javed here, okay? Just highlight it if you want. These are the details of Javed. Okay, these are the details of Javed. I can give a better color. I think yellow will be very highlighting. Yeah, I'll go with yellow. Okay, guys. Anything else? Anything else you want to ask me as part of the basics? Anything you want to ask me? We are going to start with manual testing next weekend, Saturday, 6 p.m. IST. First session on manual testing will start. Be ready for that, guys. Be ready for that. And, be ready for that. Okay. Yeah, the plan looks good. I am very happy by seeing the outcome that came here randomly on the fly. So I want to make the people benefit. I was focusing more on Selenium Java till batch 5, but from now onwards, I want to make the things different. I want to benefit everyone, previous batch members, future batch members, and all. So I'm taking this manual testing seriously this time, and I'll explain a lot, and you'll see a different mindset. It's not just about the topics. What is this testing? What is that testing? Okay. while learning manual testing, how your mindset should be, that I'm going to teach you. That no other trainer can teach you in the things, okay, that I'm going to plan in the manual testing. It's going to be completely different. It's going to change your way you think about testing and all, okay? Different tools, technologies, thought process, what are the different things on the internet that you need to follow, who are the people you need to follow on the internet to get good at manual testing. I'm going to teach you a lot, okay? It's not just training program, but it's, you know, very good guidance program also at the same time, okay, with assignments. On the top of that, you're going to get the assignments, okay? You'll feel the difference in the sessions. Yeah. Any other thing, guys? Any other thing? Yes, great, great. I'll make the things more interesting this time. Manual testing sessions, I'll make them more interesting. And the content is going to be latest and very brand new this time. Okay, let's see. No matter how much content I created already on the YouTube channel, but this time I'm going to make this manual testing a different kind of stuff. Yes. Yeah, a lot of people may be interested in already know manual testing, but the insights and all may not be there. So be part of manual testing where I'm going to give good number of insights. By using that, you are going to do great in the coming days. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome, Alex. Yeah, welcome, Rudula. Any other questions, guys? Final call. Final call. Next weekend, I told you, right? At 6 p.m. IST, we are going to start manual testing on the next weekend, okay? We are going to meet on next weekend where we are going to plan everything. Fine? Tomorrow, I don't know whether we'll have this same session kind of stuff where we are going to modify the plan a bit. We don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm waiting for startup. Yes, we'll. Even I am also very excited this time to start the session. But sometimes we have to be slow. We should not start the engine very fast, right? Slow and steady, we have to start and take the peak. Okay. Yeah, I'll share. You see, if you have any ideas, you can let me know, guys. Like if you want me to share the notes or something way before, I can share you. We'll do. Okay. Whatever we can do during the sessions, I'll give you. Okay. Next weekend, when we start manual testing, I'll plan to give you the notes also if you really want in advance. Okay. I can give you that. Not a problem. Yeah. Fine, guys. Thanks for attending today's session. Hope you are satisfied with the plan that we have created for the upcoming days. Okay. Of the training program. Everything is combined only, not a different time slots, Surya Teja. Okay, it's going to be same six. The timeline will be same thing: 6 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST on Saturday, 6 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST on Sunday. No changes. Okay, we are not going to split or do anything. In this period only, manual testing will be there. In that period only, it's combined thing. Okay, it's not separate time slots. It is an ongoing thing. Okay, fine. Okay then. Hope you got the clarity, Surya Teja. I don't change the time this time. Okay, these are fixed times. Now going ahead, I'm not going to change the timings. These are going to be fixed going ahead. Okay, fine, great, super. Yeah, that's all from my side, guys. See you next weekend, Saturday, 6 p.m. IST, where we are going to start with manual testing. Okay, bye everyone. See you. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, welcome all. Bye.